guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video I will be trying on this wig that I received from Cbwigs. I am honestly so impressed with this wig. I love the neat pattern of this body wave. I love the fact that it does come with a fake scalp underneath and there is no weird line of demarcation there like some companies do have. So I am going to try to challenge myself to do as minimal alterations to this wig as possible, just so that if you are a beginner and you're watching this video, you can see how it will look if you don't do much to it. And I know a lot of people that watch my videos are beginners and they say that the steps that we take to put the wigs down are too much. So I am going to try my hardest not to do that much to this wig, but for a beginner I think that this wig would be perfect for you because everything is pretty much done for you. Because this wig does come with 4 combs, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band, I am going to try to wear this wig glueless. The first thing that I will be doing to this wig is lace tinting the edge of it, because as you can see the fake scalp is here, but this has to be the same color or something at least close. And then I am going to have to cut the lace off, and then we're going to try on the wig and see if I'm going to cut baby hairs into it or leave it as it is. So let's get started. Okay, so because this is a beginner's challenge, I will be completely skipping over the plucking of the hairline. We will not be plucking any hairs from this wig at all. And as you can see, fresh out of the package, the hairline is pre-plucked for you already. So we're just going to skip that part and go straight on to cutting the lace off of this wig. I typically cut the lace off of my wigs by using a razor blade. I know this method is not for everyone, so by all means, use whatever method works easiest for you. If you use scissors, use your scissors. If you use an eyebrow razor, use that. I feel like the razor blade is the easiest method for me because I can see exactly where I'm cutting. I can get that perfect shape that I'm going for. All right, so as you can see, the hairline on this frontal does come with a curve or a dip where the forehead is. My own natural hairline does not have that curve there, and that creates more of a square hairline. So if your hairline is like this and is square, just leave it. You don't have to do anything to it. But if it's not, all you have to do is take the rat tail end of your comb and trace out a new shape. That's kind of like an advanced level of cutting out the lace. But because we are beginners here, I am not going to customize the hairline at all. I'm just going to trace out the same shape that it came, and we're going to work with it. So that's what I'm going to do here. So the elastic band is pretty much like a bra. You would adjust it depending on your preference and how large or small your head is. So if you are choosing to wear a wig glueless, make sure that you do have the elastic band tight enough on your head so that the lace is not lifting up in the front, and so that if someone hugs you or if the wind is blowing, the wig does not completely fly off of your head. I'm just going to try this on my head to see how it fits, and if it's too big, then I'm going to adjust it to the smallest or the tightest option. It's pretty tight. Now I'm just going to adjust the comb in the back. Make sure the part is where I want it to be. I do say that the only real way, if you're wearing it glueless, to have it completely tight on your head is if you have baby hairs, because obviously the baby hairs will be that added security because that will be gelled to your skin, which means that the wig will be then gelled to your skin as well. So I may have to go ahead and add some baby hairs just to make sure that the wig is secure. So I am going to keep this middle part, and to style the hair I will be grabbing my cheese spinning curl. I will be doing some big curls on the left and right side of this hair, and then I am going to go ahead with my flyaway tamer at the top and my pressing comb. I'm gonna make sure that the top is laying down flat just so that it could be molded to my head here, because my cornrows are kind of big underneath. It does feel very secure. I love the fit of this wig. It fits my head perfectly. Let's get started with the styling. I definitely recommend this for beach waves or like wand type of curls. It's super easy. You don't have to worry about burning your skin, and yeah, it's fast, fast, fast. So I'm gonna do about 6 of those curls on both sides, and then we're gonna comb through it. So I'm going to add some baby hairs here and put on my headscarf to mold the hairstyle in place, and I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Another misconception about the baby hairs too is the fact that people think you have to cut it with the razor or, you know, something, and you don't necessarily have to do that if you are a beginner and you don't know how to, or if you're not comfortable doing it. So I am not going to cut any hairs into the baby hairs. I'm just going to begin gelling down the placement of them, and then they will mold that way with my headscarf. Would you wear this wig straight out of the package? Let me know down below in the comment section. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check down below in the description box for more information on this company, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye guys. See, the wig is not glued down. You see the lace lifting up, but the baby hairs act as glue, so we're good. It's beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's beige, Ojai.